Are you still friends with that pretentious sweet girl in your college? Biggest question of the century. Do your parents have any idea about Pratham? Another thing is that I don't really want to have kids. I'm back. How are you doing? Do you think I should start like saying, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel? I like it when like other YouTubers say they're so nice and they're so formal and they, you know, like I just assume that, oh, you just already know me, so I should just start. But I don't realize that कुछ लोग पहली बार भी मुझे देख रहे हैं and is this just my first impression? So I think from now on I'm just going to be like, hi guys, I'm Piyanshi. I fucking hate introductions. I just be like, hi guys, I'm Piyanshi, and I make videos that you are going to be watching now. Anyway, that's not the point. You can see that I'm barefaced right now. That means that we are going to do my skincare and my makeup, and we're going to talk about some stuff that I wanted to tell you for so long, but मैं खुद ही figure out नहीं कर पा रही थी कि वो सब चीज़ क्या है कि मैं आपको कैसे बताती. Okay, starting with after my birthday, right? I started feeling a little sick. By sick I mean that I had this pain in my lower abdomen. You know, like when you get your period and you get those like that cramps and it's in the corner of your lower abdomen, तो ऐसा दर्द था. And I thought because I had just gotten over my period, so then I started feeling worse. TMI, but I started feeling a lot of pain around my cooch. I thought that, you know, am I cooked? And then suddenly बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द मेरी lower back में होने लगा on the right side. I really didn't know what it was, so I called my gynecologist. Okay, पहले तो मैंने थोड़ा ignore किया. I thought that, you know, oh, I'm a girl, I might be getting some cramps, अभी खत्म हुए period, whatever. So I called my gynac and she's like, कहाँ दर्द हो रहा है आपको? And I said like, you know, in my lower back तो a lot. And she was like, you might have kidney stones. And I was like, huh? Kidney stones?
Well, what else could it be?
It's kidney stones or kidney stones.
But then, you know, it didn't come as a surprise to me because I eat so much Maggie like all the fucking time. And I was like, oh my god, I don't want kidney stones, please. And then she was like, it's fine, you come. I called her on Saturday. And then she was like, you come on Monday and then I'll check it, right? And उस time तक she had given me some painkillers. And she was like, तुम दिन में 1 या 2 ले सकते हो if it's that bad. And when I tell you that painkiller लेने के बाद मुझे 1% का भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा. मैं दिन में 3 painkiller ली थी, like heavy, so much that I was like drowsy throughout. And कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था. And फिर the next day on Sunday was that meetup thing. आपने मेरा last vlog देखा होगा. That's why I was like so pissed in that vlog because I didn't know what was wrong with me. फिर Monday को I go to the doctor and she does my ultrasound and she's like, you have UTI, and not only that, you also have a cyst in your ovary. And I was like, what? Like how and what does that mean? And like what? I don't even have PCOD, so whatever. So then she's like, it's a UTI because maybe you're too dehydrated. Another thing is that my mom had something similar going on, and then we realized that हमारे घर का जो RO है वो खराब हो गया था, so it could be because of that. And then I did use a few public washrooms because I was like roaming around a lot, whatever. So she was like, it could be because of any of those reasons, and it's very common, the UTI. And then I was like, what about the cyst in my ovary? She was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to put you on a long-term medication for that. So she did. Touch wood, thank god. I have to touch wood, okay? Don't put any nazar on me. But now the pain has gone. Because of that, I had so much mood swings throughout. Like I still do because I'm taking the medication, and plus my skin started acting up. Like you can't see on camera, but if I come closer, maybe you can see these spots. और ये यहाँ से ना हट नहीं रहे थे मेरे pimples. पिछले 1-1.5 हफ्ते से मुझे लगा मेरा period था. Maybe that's why. And then she was like, no, it will stay because of your medicine that you're taking. No, it's a hormonal medicine, so it'll come. So I was like, oh, I didn't want any of that. So then I was like, I have to do something on my pimples because मेरी ovary तो ठीक हो जाएगी, but जो मेरा चेहरा है, ठीक है, that's very important to me. So you know I use Cure Skin, right? So I spoke to my dermatologist and I showed her, like I literally sent her pictures of my face that this is what's happening, and you know why it's happening? Because I have a cyst in my ovary, I have a UTI, and I'm on hormonal medication, for God's sake. And she asked me to do my survey again, which I didn't record for you guys, but I have a recording of how it goes. And then she like curated a kit for me and she said this would work for me. She didn't do it, like the app does it. If you like download the app and you put your pictures and everything, they'll tell you what's, you know, what's best for you. The thing that worked for me best in this case was that I could just like send a picture to my dermat and I was like, what is this? Like how do I become better? Because अभी आपको कैमरा पे नहीं पता चल रहा है, but like people who have acne or have dealt with acne before, they know that even like the small red bump, when it just doesn't go off your face, it gets so annoying, and there could be so many reasons. Like in my case, it was because of hormonal thing, but acne बहुत अलग-अलग reasons से भी हो जाता है. Even men get so much acne. Sometimes old people too. So I bought the kit especially because जो इससे पहले मेरे पास Cure Skin का सामान था वो already वैसे भी over हो गया था. I got the kit for like 2200 rupees and I've already used their face wash, and right now while talking to you I also applied their vitamin ABC cream. Another thing that I am using is their barrier restructure cream, but ये मैं usually रात को लगाती हूँ सोने से पहले. Anyway, so what I was saying is that acne can be because of many reasons. And earlier I used to put like random creams like on my face, जो भी मेरे को ऐसे chemist वगैरह की creams लोग बोलते थे कि चलती है. I really wouldn't recommend it to you guys because number one, it's quite possible that this stuff might not suit you. Like every skin is different, okay? And this I learned the hard way. See, makeup and all we can still like just decide ki, oh yeah, this product looks nice and I can put it, but skincare, no. Like I wouldn't even ask you to just get the product that I am using. I would still say that consult a dermat. At Cure Skin you can do that. You can just like talk to the dermat and they will literally prescribe you something that works for your skin. So every 20 days you can also get like a follow-up done with the dermat. You literally send them pictures. That's what I did. This is the progress and I'm on this medication if you are, or I have PCOD or I have this or I have that, and they're going to help you out with the whole thing. Trust me, I talk about the brand so much and you've seen it on my YouTube also, and that's because it has worked for me, and I know a lot of you guys also it has worked for. They'll tell you unique products according to your own skin and whatever's happening with your skin. Another thing is that I don't realize, but a lot of guys also watch my videos, and skincare is not just made for women. You're just taking care of your skin, so it's also made for men.
Bruh.
So I also recommend guys to use it because I also gifted one to my boyfriend that you will probably see in one of my videos that'll come soon. Also 98% of Cure Skin users see results in 3 weeks. I am one of them. You don't even have to go and think about those 98%. I use it all the time. You see it in my vlogs and everything. No matter if you're young, old, man, woman, trust me when I say this, I really recommend these products, which is why I also have a discount code for you, and I will put the link in my description. If you want, you can go check it out. Oh my god, I just went off camera for a second and I dropped my Huda Beauty palette. I hope it's not broken. I'd be so sad. I hope it's fine. So coming back to what my doctor said, I am taking my medicine now, and I hope that whatever this is that's going on with my body just gets resolved soon, because I don't like knowing that I am not physically fit. और बात ऐसी है कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि या तो मुझे नज़र लग गई है या फिर I just really do not take care of myself, because guys, let's rewind, okay? अगस्त में मेरे बर्थडे से जस्ट पहले आई टोर माई लिगामेंट, ठीक है. आई कुडंट वॉक फॉर अ वीक, एंड देन उसके बाद भी राइट नाउ आई वुडंट से दैट इट्स परफेक्ट, बट आई कैन वॉक, सो आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग. उसके बाद या उससे जस्ट पहले आई थिंक आई गॉट फूड पॉइजनिंग. बाय द वे आई ड्रॉप दिस एंड दिस इज लाइक ब्रोकन नाउ. एनीवे, आई गॉट फूड पॉइजनिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक चलो वो भी मेरी गलती है, ठीक है, मैंने गंदे से बारिश के माहौल में मोमोज खा लिए, हो ठीक है मेरी गलती. फिर उसके बाद आई फेल सिक जब when Freyan Paredi had come. You must have seen that also in the vlog because I literally document my whole life, and उसमें मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी ख़राब थी. फिर अब जाके यू टेलिंग मी दैट आई नॉट ओनली हैव सिवियर UTI, आई ऑल्सो हैव अ cyst in my ovary. And then I asked her, कि what's the like real reason behind it. I also asked my dermat. They both just said that it's lifestyle, so I have to change my lifestyle. And I didn't think there was anything wrong with my lifestyle. See, I don't eat a lot of junk. Wait, that could be a lie also. I mean, it's not like I eat junk all the fucking time, okay? Like I have whatever, I eat a normal amount. So I need to go to the gym, which I haven't gone since then. पहले तो मुझे लगा था जो मेरी पीठ में दर्द हो रहा था वो इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं जिम जाके 2 किलो के डंबल उठा चुकी हूँ, तो वो 2 किलो के डंबल ने मुझे इतना दर्द दे दिया. But that's not the case. It's me and my eating habits and my drinking habits, my not drinking habits, because I am severely dehydrated, which I am right now also, और मेरे पास पानी की बॉटल नहीं है ऊपर. So well, that sucks. So that was a little update that I wanted to give you guys from my end. And then on my Instagram, I also asked you guys to ask me some questions. Why does it look so vibrant on camera? That's a little scary. Anyway, so I asked you guys to ask me some questions on my Instagram, and I asked you to ask me some juicy questions. जब भी मैं juicy बोलती हूँ, पता नहीं आप लोगों के दिमाग में सिर्फ sex कहाँ से आता है. Like literally, I would say 70% of the questions were about that. Who do you think I am? Do you think I do OF? That I have so much knowledge on it. So I have a few questions that I think that we could chit chat about. So let me start. First is, what's the best advice from yourself? I am 16, a big fan, and love from Uttarakhand. I love you too. I love Uttarakhand. One best advice from my end would be just लिव फॉर योरसेल्फ लिटरली. अभी रिसेंटली मेरे को रियलाइज़ हुआ है कि नोबडी इज़ योर वेल विशर. जैसे ही आप थोड़ा सा भी बेटर करने लगोगे अपनी लाइफ में, people will try to bring you down. I don't care if they're your best friend. I don't care how close you guys are. That's just the truth. That's the hard truth, but that's the truth. So live for yourself and do not try to impress anyone. क्योंकि नजर भी लग जाती है, जो कि मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे को लग चुकी है since इतना सब मेरे जो कांड हो रहा है लाइफ में. What's your go-to move to get someone's attention? My go-to move to get somebody's attention is, I don't know, I just feel like being confident. Like if you're confident already, you attract. You enter the room and you have this aura. So I think that just works for me. A lot of people are asking me when am I going to get married. I am 22, like I just turned 22. I am not going to get married for at least the next 4 years. See, I'll tell you what my plan is. My plan is that by 25, I have to be successful. I have to, I'm sorry. And then around that time, I would like to introduce my boyfriend to my family. एक सेकंड, मैं लिप लाइन लगाते बात नहीं कर सकती. और फिर भाई आई थिंक 26 में if you get engaged and like you're working towards getting married, it's fine. I know I want to be married by 28. Like that is something I know. Another thing is that I don't really want to have kids. Like, and I'm very, maybe आगे जाके ये ओपिनियन भी मेरा बदल जाए. But right now, I'm telling you, मुझे नहीं चाहिए बच्चे. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि being the elder one, I already have so much responsibility on my hands that I don't want to have a kid यार. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि आगे जाके मतलब जब मैं सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊँ तो अब मैं ज़िंदगी अपने लिए नहीं जीऊँ, मैं अपने 2 बच्चों के लिए ज़िंदगी जीऊँ. जो कि मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि मेरे मम्मी पापा ने भी क्यों किया था. बट ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स समथिंग दे वांटेड एंड आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट पीपल वांटिंग किड्स. आई फकिंग लव किड्स. आई जस्ट थिंक दैट मेरे को एक बार मैं सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊँ, फॉर अ गुड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई डू नॉट वांट एनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. मेरे को बस घूमना है. Literally, I just want to travel the world. That's literally all I want. And I know it gets so hard with like kids, you have to take care of your kids all the time. And you're a parent forever. It never ends. You're a parent forever. So that scares me. Like, अभी भी जब भी कोई ऐसी चीज़ होती है that, I'm doing, like for example, my business. And कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि what, if it like annoys me so much or if like it affects my mental health, I'll quit it. I won't quit it, but that's something that I can still consider, okay? But you can't ever consider quitting on your child. And nobody is ready to talk about this, but if you're not mentally prepared for a kid, just do not have a kid. It's not healthy for the child to be born into a family which is just not even mentally prepared to deal with it. I'm not talking about monetarily, mentally. Another question that I keep getting is that where are your parents? Like we don't see them in your videos. I don't know, maybe मैंने 1-2 बार किसी वीडियो में डाला हो तो डाला होगा. But I don't like asking my parents to be in my videos, and I also don't like putting them on the internet because see, sooner or later I know that it's going to blow up. And I don't want कि मैं कुछ भी करूँ. एक तो मैं थोड़े, मेरे ओपिनियंस भी थोड़े बदतमीज़ होते हैं. I just don't want कि मेरे घर वाले उसमें इन्वॉल्व हों या फिर उनको कोई आके बोले कि अच्छा आप भी इसमें थे. I like to keep that part of my life separate, and also it's not like my parents would be interested in it. But I think they're doing their own thing and I'm doing my own thing. We don't really have to like be on my YouTube channel. और मैं उनकी प्राइवेसी नहीं इन्वेड होना दे सकती because आगे जाके जो भी यूट्यूबर्स हैं जो सक्सेसफुल हो चुके हैं, people have a lot of opinions on their parents and how the parents talk or how the parents like portray themselves or how they think. मैं अपने बारे में कुछ भी सुन सकती हूँ, but not about my family or any loved one. So that's why it's just a conscious decision. Earlier, I never wanted to even bring my boyfriend on the channel, but then I realized that he's such a big part of my life. I have to, and it's like still fun. And he's young, and like if somebody says something about us or him or me or whatever, so like we'll just be like whatever, hater. But parents don't understand that, and I would lose my mind if somebody said anything about my parents. Did you ever make a list of hilarious things you're gonna do in college? Example, escape hostel. I didn't make a list, but I did do that. Like मेरी एक दोस्त थी जो एक पीजी में रहती थी, ठीक है, और हम लोग रात को एक नाइट आउट पे जाते थे. उस पीजी की 10:30 बजे कर्फ्यू होता था. 10:30 बजे के बाद आप नहीं निकल सकते थे. सो शी लिटरली लाइक वाज जंपिंग थ्रू द विंडो और हम ऐसे इतने लोग नीचे खड़े हुए थे, कोई इतना बड़ा गैप नहीं था. एंड देन ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई लाइक आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिवील हर नेम बिकॉज आई थिंक सम ऑफ हर रिलेटिव्स वॉच दिस वीडियो. बट लेकिन मेरे बर्थडे पे मैं और मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, लेट्स कॉल हर एक्स, उसको हमें लेके जाना था लोनावला, ठीक है, मेरे बर्थडे पार्टी के लिए. और उस टाइम पे पुणे में उसके मम्मी पापा आ रखे थे. उसके मम्मी पापा बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे, लाइक इतने ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट कि उसको कहीं भी नहीं जाने देते थे. उन्होंने बस बिकॉज कोर्स अच्छा था इसलिए कॉलेज करने बाहर भेज दिया था. हम पेरेंट्स आर देयर एंड वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग कि उसके मम्मी पापा कब निकलेंगे. जैसे ही वो उसके हॉस्टल से बाहर निकले, वो कोने से निकल के भाग के मेरी गाड़ी में आई और हम लोनावला चले गए. और उसके बाद उनका कॉल आया, हम आपके लिए चॉकलेट लेके आए हैं, हम आपको देना चाहते हैं. और वो बोल रही है भाई मैं तो निकल गई हूँ और अभी तक हम पहुँच नहीं थे, लाइक 15 मिनट्स हुए एंड शी वाज लाइक मैं अभी 1 सेकेंड मैं प्रियांशी से मिलने आई हूँ उसके घर पे, मैं 5 मिनट्स में आ रही हूँ। तो हमने फिर गाड़ी रिवर्स करी, हमने उसे वहाँ छोड़ा, उसने चॉकलेट ली, करते करते हम लोग लोनावला निकल गए थे। सो वी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ लाइक दैट एंड दैट्स फन एज लॉन्ग एज यू बीइंग सेफ, इट्स जस्ट फन। व्हाट आर योर ओपिनियंस अबाउट सेक्सटिंग और नॉटी कॉल्स? Why do you need my opinion? If you want to do it, just do it. What's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done? You know what? You're going to see in my next video. Next video will probably be like a 50K special and you will see one of the most spontaneous things that I am going to be doing. And I might have said too much. Okay, you guess in the comments. Whoever gets it right wins the giveaway. And in the giveaway, I'm just telling you that there's going to be makeup, there's going to be skincare, there's going to be clothes. Because of course I'm just a girl. Your most embarrassing moment? Oh my god, I don't like talking about it because it is so embarrassing. Okay, there's one that's like the worst thing, so I'm not going to talk about that because that gives me flashbacks till date. Maybe मैं कभी आगे जाकर उस पर story time बना दूँ जब मेरे में हिम्मत होगी. Right now, one of the most embarrassing things was that in college I had just made like a group of friends and we had gone out drinking और मैंने पी ली LIT. Now for the people who don't know what it is, good and don't drink it because it's literally, it tastes like orange juice and it gets you blown off your mind. Okay, it's like fucking, it's really tasty. Okay? I'm not promoting it, I'm just saying it's really tasty, so you don't realize when you keep drinking it. And then it's so potent because they put like different kinds of spirits in it. So me and one of my friends, we were like doing this competition of who's going to finish the whole thing. Yeah, I know that's stupid as hell. And then मैंने भी बहुत पी ली थी, उसने भी बहुत पी ली थी और हम लोग पूरा ग्रुप था, so we were like safe and all. और हम ऑटो से घर वापस आए थे. I was so sloshed out of my mind और मेरा बर्थडे आने ही वाला था, ठीक है. तो दिस वाज इन जुलाई 2022. मैं ऐसे झूम रही हूँ ऑटो में, ठीक है. मेरा फ़ोन एलिना मेरी एक रूममेट थी जो उस टाइम पे, उसके पास था और मैं ऐसे झूम रही हूँ और फिर मैं ऑटो वाले भैया को बोल रही हूँ भैया आप मेरे साथ लोनावला चलोगे मेरे बर्थडे पे, मैं आपको भी इन्वाइट करती हूँ. आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर व्हाट ऑल आई सेड, सो दैट वाज रियली एम्बैरेसिंग बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक लूजिंग माई सेंसेस एंड आई डोंट लूज माई सेंसेस दैट ऑफन. आई मीन नाउ कॉलेज में आई यूज्ड टू बी अ पार्टी गर्ल. आई हेट पार्टिंग नाउ, यू नो, लाइक आई जेन्युइनली, अनलेस आई एम लाइक ट्रैवलिंग समवेयर एंड यू नो वी आर गोइंग टू मेक यू नोज और व्हाटएवर एंड आई वांट टू पार्टी, दैट्स फाइन. बट अगर आप अभी मुझे बोलो कि दिल्ली जाओ बोका डियाडोना पार्टी करने, समझ लेना कि मैं वो सिर्फ पीयर प्रेशर में कर रही हूँ. आई थिंक आई हैव हैड इनफ इन कॉलेज. बहुत पार्टीज कर ली भाई मैंने, अब मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है और पार्टीज करने का, एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे. विच वीडियो आर यू सीक्रेटली एम्बैरेस्ड अबाउट नाउ? आई एम नॉट एम्बैरेस्ड अबाउट एनीथिंग. Whatever I've put out there, I've put it out there. If you could swap lives with someone for 24 hours, who would it be? It would be Becca Bloom. I don't know if you guys have seen her on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. She is so bloody rich and I would love to exchange 24 hours with her. And I am telling you, I love my life, okay? I do not want to live like someone else, but I just want to see what real 24 hours look in her life. And then I want to use that as an inspiration for my own life. Like for reference, I'll put some pictures of, you know, how she is and what she has, and she has so many Birkins and I'm like, अगर कोई भी मेरे सामने Birkin लेके आ गया वो चीज़ मुझे jealous कर देगी. Biggest question of the century. Do your parents have any idea about Pratham? My mom does. Did I tell you guys? I told my mom, you know, मेरे बर्थडे के बाद, maybe मैंने आपको बताया था, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, बट मेरे बर्थडे के बाद I had gotten the earrings ना that Pratham had gifted me. तो मैं अपनी मम्मी को दिखा रही थी जो भी गिफ्ट्स मुझे सबने दिए and I was like, Pratham gifted me this and she was like, Acha, show me. She was like, wow, this is so nice. And then she wore it. So yeah, well, I think that's how. And then I said also that yeah, he's my boyfriend, so he had to give me something nice because he's my boyfriend. Like मैंने ऐसे slide in कर दी ये बात. And she knows about him now. My dad doesn't. And like she told me that, not like I'll tell dad. I was like, yeah, I mean, I didn't think you would tell him, but whatever. Yeah, so my mom knows. My dad is not going to know till I get married, okay? Like not till I get married, till I'm 25. मैं तो नहीं बताने वाली हूँ. जब तक मुझे लगता नहीं है कि मैं इतनी सक्सेसफुल हूँ कि अगर पापा ने बोला कि घर से धक्का मारना पड़ेगा तुझे और मेरे को निकलना ना पड़े, मैं तब तक नहीं बताऊंगी. मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. How do you manage to go to Bangalore without letting your parents know? मैं उनको ये थोड़ी बोलती हूँ कि मैं ऊपर के कमरे में हूँ और मैं कहीं चली जाऊँगी. मैं उनको बोलती हूँ भाई कि मैं मुंबई जा रही हूँ, मैं पुणे जा रही हूँ, अपने दोस्तों से मिलने जा रही हूँ. They just let me go. It's not like I'm asking them for money or anything, right? तभी I just tell you guys that just be independent. आप वैसे ही बहुत फ्रीडम मिल जाएगी आपको कुछ भी करने की. और अगर उनको जब पता चलेगा तो पता चलेगा, देखेंगे ना. मेरी मम्मी को तो पता है, शी नोज. शी डजंट ब्रिंग इट अप बिकॉज शी रिस्पेक्ट्स माई प्राइवेसी एंड शी ऑल्सो नोज दैट अगर उन्होंने कुछ भी उठा के बताया तो मैं उनको नहीं बताऊंगी बिकॉज ऑफ हाउ मच ट्रॉमा आई हैव. बचपन में उन्होंने मुझे इतना पीट दिया है लड़कों के मामले में कि अब अगर मेरी उम्र भी होगी लड़के के साथ बात करने की, मैं तब भी उनको नहीं बताऊंगी. सो आई थिंक शी जस्ट डजंट वांट टू इंटरफेयर लाइक दैट. डू यू स्टिल मैनिफेस्ट? या आई डू. एंड अब जैसे पहले तो मैं जर्नल करती थी, ठीक है, बिल्कुल लिख के कि मेरे को ये चाहिए. अब मैं ऐसे मैनिफेस्ट करती हूँ कि मैं हर सुबह उठ के कुछ एफर्मेशंस बोलती हूँ. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक तो यू सी दैट that lights up, okay? And it has Lord Shiva's picture on it. So every morning I of course do that, and then I just keep saying thank you God for this life, I love my life, thank you for all the opportunities that you drop into my lap. मैं ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें बोलती हूँ. That is my way of manifesting it. And also I think that I have kind of become successful in, you know, making myself believe that I'm living my best life. बस इतना ही. So that's how I manifest. I'm not journaling abhi, but you never know. If I want something bad enough, I will. Like I do want 100k subscribers, so I might journal for that. Are you still friends with that pretentious sweet girl in your college? No, I'm not. And someone also asked me something similar about her and story time. See, I would love to make a story time and tell you guys all about fake friends. Let me know if you guys want to hear that story. But then I also wonder if it's okay for me to reveal everything about someone that you might know. क्योंकि मुझे पता है आप लोग बहुत बहुत शाने हो, आप बहुत शाने हो, आप ढूंढ लोगे उनको और फिर आप उनको मैसेज कर दोगे. तो अगर आप वो करने वाले तो मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगी स्टोरी टाइम. समथिंग यू हैवंट शेयर्ड ऑन यूट्यूब येट, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. See, something that I haven't shared is that I have also made a lot of mistakes in my life. Like I have hurt people a lot, and I don't even like making excuses because this is not an excuse. Like for example, I know I've broken a few people's heart, and I'm not saying I was mean to them and I was all that, but just because I wasn't who they want me to be. That's one part I think that I haven't spoken about. I'm not hiding it from anybody, but we never got to a point where I, like, you know, get to tell you that, you know, I have also, like, मैं कोई दूध की दूली नहीं हूँ, मैंने भी लोगों का दिल दुखाया. Of course दुखाया. We are all some sort of villain in somebody's story, and so that's one thing. Another part that I kind of hid maybe was that I might seem like someone who knows their shit and, like, you know, has their shit together. अभी वीडियो बनाने से पहले I was literally bawling my eyes out because I was just so annoyed. It could be because of the medicines I'm taking or what, but I'm tired, bro. Like I just feel like I can't catch a break. I also want to see my boyfriend. I'm so tired of this long distance relationship, and I don't like being sick. Like I want to be able to do whatever I want. I want to be able to eat whatever I want, and I don't want someone to tell me that, oh, your lifestyle is wrong, that's why, you know, अब आपकी तबीयत खराब रहेगी and I have to be on long term medication, and then there's something affecting my skin and my mood. See, it might sound small to somebody or tone deaf, but for me, or I think for everyone, the way they look is very important. And if I think that some sort of medicine or like a disease or whatever is like making me not like the way I look, then I'm going to be more upset about it. So I was upset about that, and that's something that I didn't show on my YouTube because I was crying and I was like, no, I don't want to film right now because I have tears in my eyes. मैं इसे नहीं दिखाना चाहती. फिर मैं सोच रही थी कि, you know what, fuck it, like just be who you are. Life sometimes sucks ass. Nobody has it together. And yeah, that's it. I just thought that we'd, you know, like talk a little bit because I haven't spoken to you guys. मेरे को जब भी मैं एक दिन YouTube वीडियो नहीं बनाती, मुझे लगता है कि मैंने कितने टाइम से इन लोगों से बात नहीं की है, क्योंकि मैं अपने ब्रॉडकास्ट पे तो चपड़ चपड़ करती रहती हूँ. बट my YouTube, like this is who I am before being anybody on Instagram or any other app. This is who I am, and you are the people that make me wanna get up, wipe my tears and record a video. And you don't know how much I look forward to it. Like you might look forward to my videos, but I look forward to talking to you. Like right now I'm talking to a camera, but in my mind and like the vision, there are like literally so many people sitting in front and I'm just talking. And then uska whenever you comment, I'm like, yeah, I know, I agree with that. Oh, I don't agree with that. Literally it feels like a conversation, and I hope it kind of feels like a FaceTime to you guys too whenever I talk to you. And if it doesn't, then you can tell me and I'll go kill myself. What? I'm kidding. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Nobody's life is perfect. अपने आप को लोगों से कंपेयर करना बंद करो. सबके लगे हुए हैं, बस लोग छुपाने में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. And also don't forget about the giveaway thing. Whoever guesses what I'm doing, my spontaneous thing that I'm doing right in the next video wins the giveaway. Bye.